What we're going to do today, we're going to look at some of the jungle herbs, some of the natural herbs, some of the tropical herbs, the tropical medicines that is actually excellent for keeping you mentally and physically wholesome and healthy. This is the tree of life, called everlasting life, called many other different names of sort. It's an excellent healing overall tonic. It's very tasty. And very powerful.
Traditional uses: antibacterial, antiviral, relieves pain, heals wounds, relaxes muscles, reduces fevers.
We're going to look at one of the herbal fruit medicines that has shown to be excellent for cancer prevention. I think most of you may have heard of it. It's called the sop, sweet sop, sour sop. It's called the sop. We're going to look at the sop and we're going to pull some because we have loads of sops in our rainforest jungle sanctuary because we want everyone wholesome and healthy, mentally, physically, and spiritually. And even though there are many different things that are said and told, one thing is sure: the Kwatamanis are mentally, physically, and spiritually wholesome and healthy souls. As it is today, one of the most popular cancer-preventing fruits is called the sop, the sweet sop, sour sop. The leaves, the bark, and the fruit. What we do within the family to prevent, because we deal with preventive healing, what we do is every once in a while on occasion we unload our trees and we have a sop party, the entire family. Today is one of those days. This is why we're featuring the sop.
Test tube studies have shown that soursop is high in antioxidants, which may help prevent cell damage and lower the risk of chronic disease, including heart disease and diabetes, and help eliminate cancer cells.
The thing about it is that we took a lot of time, years and years ago, because just like healing does not occur overnight, common sense reasoning does not occur overnight. A seed does not grow into a fruit tree overnight. It takes time. It takes planning, it takes organizing, it takes structure, it takes order. The nature of divine socioeconomic family community order is to get the seeds in the ground in fertile, veganic soil to make sure that these things are done. So what you see around is a whole jungle that had been messed with. This particular area, we replanted everything. Took time to replant all the trees, every child. Took time, each placenta of every child. We took time and put it in a tree and plant a tree. So now we can harvest hundreds of sops. And we are able to make sure that we're enjoying the voluptuous fruit as well as the healing properties of prevention for the entire family. We should have some of the youth who are gathering some sops right now, some of the elders, some of the priestesses, and you just take a look at this beautiful fruit and know full well that Mother Nature and Father Ra has given us all we need. We just need to have the respect, the common sense to indulge in holistic living lifestyle. I'm sure that Brother Michael, one of our close associates, will comprehend what we're doing with these leaves to help keep these papaya growing, and also keep in mind that these are healing herbs, very potent. And then we're breaking it down so that it can become veganic soil. We'll break it and pack it around the tree, and it will help to make this very potent veganic compost. And of course the papaya is a very potent healing fruit. So we're talking about fruits that are herbs.
Studies show that papaya boosts the immune system, relieves stress, reduces inflammation, regulates the menstrual cycle, prevents cancers, and much more.
So when it was said that the fruits and the herbs shall be our medicine, we're talking about everything all combined. That's Mother Nature. She gives us the roots that bears the trunk, that bears the branches, that bears the leaves, that bears the fruit, that bears the seed to recycle life. As man, he and she, as humanity, we got to get into that cycle and start to become more veganic living beings.
The most urgent need for whole life healing is with the ancestral she, the mother spirit, the nurturing and affectionate energy, the first teacher of all of man, he and she.
That's right, brothers. It's a very serious crisis that's facing the ancestral man, he and she. And we better grow up and heal and live in divine order. Madasi for the cohune nuts.
Cohune nut oil has been shown to protect against virus, bacteria, and infection, as well as brain and heart problems.
Consuming from the fruits of the tree of life, going forward to multiply.